Now comes to different tools, EDA tools we are going to use as in our ASIC design methodology. First one is logic synthesis, RTL to gate level netlist, Cadence JNUS and Synopsys DC design compiler. These are the two famous tools for the logic synthesis available in the industry. Next one is the place and route, gate level netlist to GDS, Cadence Innovus and Synopsys ICC2. Okay, and logic equivalence check for LEC, Cadence Conformal or Synopsys Formality. These are the tools for the LEC. And physical verification, DRC LVS, Cadence PVS, Physical Verification System or Pegasus. And in the Synopsys, we have IC Validator and Mentor. I think now it is Siemens Calibre tool for the DRC LVS, physical verification.